everyone! Sino tong katabi ko na merong brown na hair? Who are you?
Wait!
Bakit may Vietnamese dito? Siya! Baka mamaya sabihin na naman na ano ako. Ay! Bakit may Korean dito? Si Chanko. Okay, where are we going? Sana naman ang mga lakad-lakad natin. Oh, ang dami natin. So that's Saturday. It's May 4th. And we're going to a baptism. Baptism po yung pupuntahan namin, hindi po sa... Okay, and there's our steamed driver, Alan. And there's Diyang na naghahanap ng makukuhanan ng mga libre on our way. So pagkatapos ng baptism, we're just gonna go and pick up kung anong mga libre dyan. O, diba? Okay, guys, I need you to behave during the baptism, okay? Hi, Zenas! Oh, there's something different about Zenas! Where could it be?
He's more ugly.
Oh my gosh, look at that! First of all, okay. Parang nagkaroon ng Moses moment si Sino sa Moses moment, you know why? Nag-part. Biglang nag-part ang hair niya. Oh. The parting. And he's missing something. He's not wearing his glasses. He's wearing his contacts.
Well, I don't care.
Saan?
Hiking after naman.
Hindi, may isa pang panunod. I wanna go hiking.
Oh, dirty sleigh.
So, today is Saturday. Ano kaya ang mga adventures na naman namin today? Ayan, we'll see. Kasi pagkasama ko si Diyang kung ano-anong mga adventures ginagawa namin. Oh, there's Lala there too. I forgot. Hi, Lala. Libre. Thank you, steam driver, for delivering us safely.
Tips are acceptable.
Thank you.
Go, 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 go. Malapit lang yan.
We are here. We are here. There. Kastoy manan. Kaagsukat tayo ang kadako.